What is up, guys? Red or Redbird here, and today I'm gonna play Finance of Freddy 2. So I'm ready for it. And Chuck is still fainted since Freddy Fazbear just jump scare at him. And don't worry, I'm gonna be the only one who could play this game. Okay, let's get this started. Right up. Start the new game. Grand reopening of Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. What could go wrong? Wait. $100.50 a week? I would rather go work at the other Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, which gives me like $120 for my paycheck. Yeah. Instead, that one. Tap here to use a flashlight.
Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. I'm here to talk you through.
Oh gosh! Wait, is that a bunny? Oh yeah, it is. Wow, his face looks broken.
Now, I want you to forget anything you may have heard about the old location. You know, some people
The vent, left and right, the party.
That old restaurant was kind of left to rot for quite a while.
What the heck is that? That looks like, kind of looks like a toy Foxy. Prize corner.
Facial recognition. Advanced mobility.
See some plushes of Freddy Fazbear and the gang.
But most importantly,
Well, I already have one.
some kind of criminal database.
Then how do you win them with these prize corner? Winning tickets just like Chuck E. Cheese.
Now that being said, no new
Even the
system
game area.
You're only the second guard.
Balloon Boy.
The first guy finished his week, but complained about
Those
conditions.
3
We switched him over to
creepy
day shift.
new animatronics.
Hey, lucky, right?
Wait, I know this Freddy.
Certain characters seem to move around
Wait a second, they're toys.
and even attempted to get into his office. Now, from what we
The main
know,
hall.
possible, that restaurant should be the safest
Wind
place on
up
Earth.
music box.
So while our
Click and
engineers
hold.
don't really
Okay.
have an explanation for this, the working theory is that the robots were never given a proper night mode. So when it gets quiet, they think they're in the wrong room. So then they go try to find where the people are, and in this case, that's your office. So our temporary solution is this. There's a music box over by the prize counter, and it's rigged to be wound up remotely. So just every once in a while, switch over to the prize counter video feed and wind it up for a few seconds. It doesn't seem to affect all of the animatronics, but it does affect one of them.
Oh, so I had to wear Freddy Fazbear's mask, or Freddy's mask. I keep saying Fazbear because I love to keep saying that.
Endoskeleton without a costume on, and
Wait, endoskeletons?
so hey, we've given you an EMD.
What the heck? Oh, I gotta wind the music box. Where's?
Put it on anytime, and leave it on for
Doesn't
as long
matter.
as you want.
Music box is important.
Then we'll wander back.
I don't know what could go wrong.
Worth mentioning is kind of the quartz modern design of the building. You may have noticed there are no doors for you to close. But
Let's
hey, you
see.
have light, and even though your flashlight can run out of power, the building cannot. So don't worry about the place going dark. Well, I think that's it. You should be golden. Check the lights, put on the Freddy hand.
I'm spamming it.
Keep the music box wound up.
Oh.
Piece of cake. Have a good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Wait, didn't the other one just was there before? Oh, wait. Oh, forgot the music box. That makes sense. Alright. Oh god! Hi! Oh, not you too! Is he gone? Good. Oh, forgot the box! Gotta make sure no one is in the vent or the main hall is in front of me. Okay, it's only 4 a.m. Chica's in front of me. Oh, wait, forgot the music box. Oh gosh, I only have one battery left for the flashlight. Oh. I just get started from the night. What else am I supposed to do? This whole restaurant is a part of Illuminati confirmed. Because look at those two exclamation mark triangles. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And not really good with some that everything is Illuminati confirmed. But I'm pretty sure this Freddy Fazbear Pizza is Illuminati confirmed, even the society. And I had the feeling. Good, she's gone. Oh, forgot the music box. Oh, it's just Freddy. And yes! Oh gosh. 6 a.m. Well, ready for the second night. What, really?
For some reason, he activates during the night, and you see him standing at the far end of the hall. Just flash your light at him from time to time. Those older models would always get disoriented with bright light.
Did they really have to make him go away? Huh? Is that really simple? 3 a.m. Oh, come on. Better not be Toy Freddy again. Huh? Okay, coast is clear. Forgot the music. Who keeps saying hi? Whoa, I saw him. Could it be him? Or Illuminati? Foxy. Yeah. Huh? What happened? Oh. Yay! Past the second night. Oh gosh. Third night. Let's see, I can survive that one. Okay. Oops, sorry. I accidentally moved the camera. I do have problems because Foxy is trying to get me booty.
I was just curious. Like I said, he was always my favorite. They tried to remake Foxy, you know?
What?
They thought the first one was too scary, so they redesigned him to be more kid-friendly.
Well, of course, this kid has been playing around with Foxy all the time. Like, trying to make them broke. Like, broke apart. And Foxy's trying to kill me earlier. Don't they? Or don't he?
Take apart, put back together attraction. Now it's just a mess of parts. I think the employees refer to him as just the mangle.
Wait, that toy Foxy's name is Mango? What a coincidence. Sounds like the fruit name. Well, at least I don't want to hear the phone guy anymore with his messages. Gotta wind the music box. Make sure I don't want to get killed by Foxy. Oh gosh, it's Bunny! Hi, Bunny! You want to play a game? Okay, how about I take a selfie with me? Huh? Oh gosh. Good thing I survived. Oh my gosh, there's Foxy and Bunny together. Trying to kill me, hey? Man, I'm getting tired now. Whoa, is that Chica? Whoa, she's really scary and terrifying with her big beak or something. Oh, come on. Let me wind the music box. Oh, I saw Foxy. 4 a.m., eh? Oh, come on. Stay trying to get me booty. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be dead because I'm not that fast enough. And you do nothing! And I have no idea that I'm not making some good jokes. Coast is clear. Come on, I gotta make it. Come on, turn to 6 already. Yes! Oh my gosh. Well, past the 3rd night. Wait, is it? Oh yeah. I gotta stop right now. Oh, man, I'm really good at this game. So hopefully I'll continue it. But at this time, I gotta go let Chuck play this. Alright. Hold it. Not now. So, this is Redbird. Bye. I gotta go wake up Chuck. Hey, wake up. This is gonna take a while.